My name is AJ Lindell and I'm a sales representative from Production Automation. And I've been working with ergonomic and workspace solutions for about 15 years. Today I want to introduce you to the Ergo Lift Cart from GK Workspace by Gibo Kodama. This is a game changer for dynamic work environments. Whether you're in manufacturing, clean rooms, labs, or tech, this cart helps you move heavy equipment and products with little effort and safely. Let's take a look at some of the features of the Ergo Lift Cart. It's engineered to lift and transport up to 500 pounds with just the push of a button. It's wireless with a lithium-powered battery, which saves time and effort while protecting your workflow. It's height adjustable from 24 to 50 inches at a smooth 0.9 inches per second rate. It comes in an ESD-safe option. It's clean room safe, all designed to keep your components safe. It has smooth rolling casters, which break both the swivel and wheel. Another unique feature of the Ergo Lift Cart is that you can use it to move an existing workstation, all while leaving the existing tooling in place. Let's see it in action. It's that easy. Now you can move workstations and heavy equipment effortlessly and safely. No disassembly required, no downtime, just smooth mobility that keeps your workflow moving. Ready to upgrade your workflow? Visit go2pac.com or contact your PAC sales rep to learn more about the Ergo Lift Cart and how it can transform your workspace.